SQL simply. Today, let's create a database by typing commands. So, if you want to create a database, just type create. With the summer, you now type database. That's how to create database. Then the name of we can call it personnel. So we are trying to create a personal record. Create database personnel. Click, you see. Let me click go. So personnel has already been created. Can you see it from the list here? I make use of command to create database. Create database personnel. So let's create a table for personnel, a biodata table first. Biodata will just simply keep the record, how many column? Let's make it 5 column. Go. So the employee number, then the last name, then the name, sex, departments. Let's stop at this place. Departments. Save it. So the biodata has been created with 5 columns. So this name, I'm going back to change. Let's go back to the structure, table structure. Let's go back. Let's edit. Okay. Not number. Save it. I want this first name also to be what? To be text, not number. You can save it. I can save sex also to be what? To be text. You save it. Text will allow us to enter characters. Can we add to make it 6? To add additional column, I can say go. You see 1, go. Let's add basic salary. Make it decimal. Save. With about 6 fields. Each of these columns are called fields. So let's go back to the SQL environment. So let's insert data. Insert commands. Insert into, what's the name of the table? Biodata. That's the name of the table. Under biodata, we have employee number, employee number, comma. We have last name, comma. We have comma. We have sex, comma. We have department, comma. We have salary, comma. Those are the fields under our data. We have values to be assigned, open brackets. The first value, employee number, I think is an integer, is a number. So anything number, you don't need to quote it. So number 1, last name, you can make it's a text, so text has to be quoted. Comma, first name is there. Then the departments, let's say admin departments in quotes. The salary is number, that one is figure. You don't need to quote it, closing brackets. You understand now? So the command has been typed. Go insert. Sorry, prompt an error. Say a column count does not exist. Which of the columns does not exist? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a column is missing. Okay, sex. So sex column is missing. After so you need sex here. So sex is what? Male. You understand now? It's because of that column. I listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column here. So the value to be listed is omitted. That's the reason why you have that error message. Let's run it again. So it has been inserted. You can browse to see. You can see number 1, Akishola Dwell, M admin department. Let's use that opportunity to insert records. I will just adjust this to Ahmed. What happened here? Sorry. Omitted. Okay, let me keep on changing it. Let's check now. I think we have how many records now? We have, okay, I don't want to, let me edit the number first. Yes, error. I want to adjust this one, adjust this one, adjust this one. So let's update it. There's error there. So that one will now go to update. You can use update commands to correct this record. So like Ahmed, I want Ahmed to be number 2, Peter to be number 3, Lucas to be number 3, number 4. How can I access this record? So here we can have update commands. Update biodata. So set employee number to what? 3. Where I think last name is equal to Dockers. I want where you have Dockers should be changed to what? To 3. Check it first. I'm coming. So check this. So we change to what? Is it 4? Let's change it to 4. Let's update and see what will happen. It has been updated. Let's check. Dockers has been changed to 4. So likewise, this Peter, we can change it to 3. The same procedure. So just matter of don't come down here. Where you have Peter, should be changed to number what? 3. Let's check it. I think we have changed it to number 3. This one, I want us to change it to number what? Number 2. How can we change this one to number 2? So I will quote that is the same procedure. Where this one is equal to, is it correct? Check the name. Is the name correct? Let me check first. The name is what? And it's we are changing this one to 2. So let's check it again. Can you see it has been done? So then we can use delete commands to delete one of the records. For example, if you want to delete record, if you want to remove record 3 from the database, it's just a matter of coming down here and type delete command. Delete from bar data. So where employee number is equal to 3. So now record 3 will be deleted. Let's check it. Yeah, let's brush. Can you see that record 3 has been what? Has been deleted. Can you see it now? If I want the system to list only the main record, I can just come here and say select from bar data, select everything from bar data, where sex is equal to what? Male. So the main record has been what? Has been listed. So thank you for watching.